The Washington Post published a very important article. It is a large and very detailed investigation of U.S. aid to Ukraine. According to the article, most of the money allocated to Ukraine stays in the U.S. Out of $68 billion in military and related assistance, almost 90% remains in the United States as public procurement for American companies and worker salaries. U.S. aid to Ukraine has rejuvenated and in some cases saved the U.S. military industry. Weapons for Ukraine are produced in at least 31 states and 71 cities in the U.S. Some weapon units started production for the first time since 2005, such as Stinger missiles. The successful use of American weapons by Ukrainians has created significant international demand for these weapons, which will fuel the U.S. economy for decades to come. And there is more. South Korea is the largest supplier of shells to Ukraine after the United States, writes the Post. The publication notes that the country delivered more shells than the entire European Union, and did it in just 41 days. More than 300,000 155mm shells. Here's a message to all of you who are complaining about U.S. aid to Ukraine. In your face. Another day, another attack on Russian factory. Russian media report that Elektrozavod factory is on fire in Moscow. It is Russia's largest manufacturer of various transformer and reactor equipment. Kadyrov published an epic video showing Akhmat forces bravely hitting a communications tower in Belgorod region, Russia. He said it was all to fight Ukrainians. Watch the video. Kadyrov's TikTok warriors worked hard. Clowns. Heavy fighting continues in the small town of Stepov, north of Avdiivka. Seen here, a Ukrainian M2A2 Bradley IFV from the 47th Mechanized Pump's 25mm M242 Bushmaster fire into Russian positions on the eastern edge of the town. wives and relatives of mobilized Russian men from the Way Home organization recorded a manifest demanding to return their men home. They are not satisfied with the government's repressions against them. Notable is a far better quality recording compared to what we've been seeing so far. The original video is close to 9 minutes long, so this is just a snippet.
Мы родные и близкие мобилизованных. Нас много, и будет еще больше. Мы за полную демобилизацию. Гражданские люди не должны принимать участие в боевых действиях.
Мы против формирования мнения, что все мобилизованные находятся в зоне боевых действий добровольно и осознанно. Мы против репрессий в отношении наших родных и близких мобилизованных за выражение их протеста.
Мы за гарантированные Конституцией права и социальный протест и публичные собрания.
Мы против игнорирования нашей проблемы со стороны руководства страны, молчания. Мы против произвола командиров и репрессий в отношении наших военнослужащих.
Мы настроены во что бы то ни стало вернуть наших мужчин.
Мы требуем начать вывод наших гражданских мобилизованных и вернуть их домой к своим семьям.
Attention, Portugal. If we need to take Lisbon to ensure security, we'll do it, says Russian propagandist Solovyev. Taking Lisbon has become one of his favorite topics recently. I can't understand what kind of delusion these guys live in. They haven't been able to move from Bakhmut in the past 2 years of the war, yet they dream of conquering Europe.
Спад будет продолжаться.
Если они сейчас проиграют здесь, то им никакие рынки не помогут.
Нет, если они отдадут нам всю Восточную Европу, им от этого, с точки зрения экономики, ни жарко и ни холодно.
Не мы слышим.
Это им не рынок, это им ничего. И они прекрасно понимают, что мы не пойдем брать Лиссабон.
Почему?
И даже
Это вы двое не пойдете. Почему это мы не пойдем брать Лиссабон?
Остальные
все пойдут?
Минутку. Я, кстати, совершенно не шучу. Вот. Минутку. Президент Российской Федерации, Верховный Главнокомандующий, сказал так: вопрос не территории, а безопасности. И если для обеспечения безопасности надо будет взять Лиссабон, возьмем Лиссабон.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.